Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. This is Vittal Mamilla, working as PGT Mathematics in TS Model School, Elgandal. Today, all of you have completed 10th class and congratulating all of you for getting good GPA and you entered into the intermediate first year. Now let us see what is the question paper pattern in the intermediate and how many marks allotted in the intermediate. So total intermediate will have 1000 marks. First and second year together you will have 1000 marks. So for MPC students we are having first year 470 marks, second year also 470 plus 60 marks practicals. 60 marks practicals, you will have 530 marks. So here 470 and 530 will be 1000 marks in the intermediate both first and second year. Now let us see how 470 marks divided. This 60 marks is 30 marks for physics practical and 30 marks for chemistry practical in the second year. So the theory exam is for first year 470 and the second year also 470 marks for MPC students, wherein BPC students 440 marks, 440 and 120, wherein MEC and CEC students there will be both 500 and 500 marks. There is no practicals for CEC and MEC students, so 500 and 500 marks in the both the first and second year. Now let us see how 470 marks divided in the first year. So 470 marks divided, so you will have one English 100 marks, second language 100 marks. Second language is nothing but either Telugu or Sanskrit or Arabic, French, like this. So second language 100 marks. Second language what it will be? Telugu, Sanskrit, Arabic, like this. Arabic, French, these are all called second language. So English is common, 100 marks, second language 100. Then coming to the optional subjects, maths 1A 75 marks, maths 1B. Mathematics there is two papers, 1A and 1B, both are having 75 marks, and physics is 60 marks and chemistry is also 60 marks. So total 60, 60, 120, 150 is a 270 and 470. So total 470 marks for first year intermediate MPC students. So English 100, second language 100, maths 1A 100, maths 1B 100, physics 60 and chemistry 60. Now let us see maths A and maths B, how the question paper is designed for mathematics students. So if you see maths A and maths B, both are same only. The examination pattern and question paper pattern for both maths A and maths B are same. So how it is divided is maths 1A or 1B paper, 1A 1B paper divided like this. So unlike in the 10th class, here you will getting all the questions from the textbook only, all the questions from the textbook, wherein in the previous, in the 10th class you are having CCE model. So CCE model you are having, so but in the intermediate definitely you will get the questions from your textbook only, all the questions from textbook. So the question paper pattern is maths 1A and 1B is for 75 marks. So 75 marks divided into 3 sections. How many sections? There is 3 sections. So the first one section is called VSAQ, very short answer questions. So this is very short answer questions, very short answer questions for 2 mark questions. Very short answer questions are called for 2 mark questions. And next one is short answer questions. So short answer questions. Short answer questions are 4 mark questions. Short answer questions are 4 mark questions. And third one is long answer question is of 7 mark questions. So long answer questions are 7 mark question. So there is a 3 type of questions. One is very short answer question, short answer question, and long answer question. So very short answer questions of 2 mark question, short answer question 4 mark, and long answer question 7 marks. So there is a 3 type of question: 2 mark question, 4 mark questions, and 7 mark question. Now let us see how many questions will be given from each section. So first one is section 1. Section 1 is very short answer question. So very short answer questions are, there is a 10 questions you have to appear. 10 into 2, 20 marks. Each is 2 marks. So this is very short answer question. Very short answer questions are 10 into 20, 20 marks. And section 2 is the 4 mark question. 4 into, you have to answer 5. You have to answer 5. Each is 4 marks. Total 20 marks is short answer question. But here 2 is optional. Total 7 questions are given. 7 questions will be given. 7 questions will be given, but you should answer only 5 questions. Any 2 you can leave it. So you can attempt only 5 out of 7 in the short answer question. So you will get 20 marks here. Now the section 3. Section 3 is having same like second section. 5 into 7 marks each question is 35 marks. 35 marks is long answer question. Long answer question, 5 into 7, 35 marks. Here also total 7 questions will be given. So total 7 questions will be given. So here also 2 are choice, right? Out of 7 you should appear only 5 questions, right? There is not like internal choice and all. So total 7 questions will be given. Out of 7 you can appear your wish, as per your wish, any 5 questions. So in the first one you should appear 10, and in the second one you should appear 5, and the third one you should appear 5. So total 20 questions you should appear, wherein 2 and 2 are choice. In the second one 2 are choice, and the third one 2 are choice. So if you see, in the first one 20 marks, in the second one 20, third one is 35. So total is 75 marks you have to attempt. 75 marks you have to attempt. But in the second section, the short answer question, you are having 2 choice, right? So 2 choice means 8 marks. And here also you are having 2 choice, 14 marks. Total will be 22 marks is choice. So 75 you have to appear and 22 choice. So the total question paper will be given for 97 marks. So the question paper will be given for 97 marks. You have to appear for 75 marks. So this is about maths 1A, 1B. Not only 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B also same pattern. Very short answer, and long answer. And in the short answer, very short answer, all tend to be appear. There is no choice here. Wherein in the second section, 2 choice, 5 into 4, 20 marks. In the third also, 2 choice, 5 into 7, 35 marks. So this is the pattern of question paper, how maths A and maths B will be asked. Okay, the question paper will be given for 97 marks, but you have to appear only for 75 marks. Okay, right, thank you.